there are cases where people attract wealth in a very short span of time. But are they really able to retain wealth? I think that is a function of how continually trusted they are. Because there are times when you make money in the short run, and then you look back, and today, let's say 10 years later, that person is, you don't hear about them anymore. And the reason is that they couldn't retain that trust. They did some shortcuts along the way, which caused them to lose that wealth. So I think trust is something that will allow you to accumulate, but also retain wealth.
A lot of wealth. Why do you think certain people are wealthy and certain people are not? Like, because everybody wants to create wealth.
Yeah.
I'm sure that nobody gets up in the morning and be like, yeah, mujhe nahi paise kamana hai. Right? Everybody's thinking about it, reading about it, finding ways to do it. They're going to the job in a hope that they'll be able to do it. They're starting their businesses to do the same thing. But why there are certain people who are able to make wealth and certain people who are not wealthy?
If you look at a lot of mutual funds and you look at the fund's performance, right? I was recently looking at a data that one asset management company put out, and they said that the performance of this fund has been over many years 19% annualized. And I was like, wait a minute, like this fund must have really made a lot of money for people. So we looked at the data of how much money actual investors made in that particular fund. We looked at when money came in, when money went out, and we modeled that to figure out. And actual returns of investors in that fund was 12 to 13%, which is 6% lower than what the fund actually made.